We are providing only 20% video as a part of promotion. For remaining 80%, that is 6 to 8 articles, current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 1. World's largest canyon spotted by Chinese scientists. GS Paper 1, World Geography, Important Geographical Discoveries. Why recently in news? The world's largest canyon, far larger than the Grand Canyon in the United States, has been spotted by the Chinese scientists, who took part in the country's latest Antarctic expedition to the South Pole. The canyon, more than 1,000 kilometers long, 1,500 meters deep, and 26.5 kilometers wide at the top. China's expedition team has also found many subglacial lakes and currents connected to the canyon, forming a giant wetland beneath the Antarctic ice. Valleys, gorge and canyons. Valleys start as small and narrow rills. The rills will gradually develop into long and wide gullies. The gullies will further deepen, widen and lengthen to give rise to valleys. Depending upon dimensions and shape, many types of valleys like V-shaped valley, gorge, canyon, etc. can be recognized. A gorge is a deep valley with very steep to straight sides, and a canyon is characterized by steep step-like side slopes and may be as deep as a gorge. A gorge is almost equal in width at its top as well as its bottom. In contrast, a canyon is wider at its top than at its bottom. In fact, a canyon is a variant of gorge. Valley types depend upon the type and structure of rocks in which they form. For example, canyons commonly form in horizontal bedded sedimentary rocks and gorges form in hard rocks. 2. India slips to 89th rank on Global Talent Competitiveness. GS Paper 1, Social and Developmental Issues, Their Problems and Their Remedies. Why recently in news? Reflecting an acute shortage of skilled labor force and difficult business conditions, India has slipped 11 places to rank 89th on a global index of talent competitiveness. Switzerland has topped the list. Switzerland is followed by Singapore, Luxembourg, the United States and Denmark in the top 5 positions on the annual Global Talent Competitiveness Index, GTC, released on Tuesday by INSEAD Business School in partnership with Adecco Group and the Human Capital Leadership Institute of Singapore. India's position in Global Talent Competitiveness Index rankings. India's ranking is worst among the 5 BRICS countries, with China leading the pack with a global rank of 48. Last year, India was ranked 78th on the index that measures a nation's competitiveness based on the quality of talent it can produce, attract and retain. The way forward. The improvement of India would have the greatest impact in terms of the pool of talent not only in the region but also globally, the report said. Challenge for countries such as China and India is to attract talent from abroad, particularly in the context of large emigration rates of high-skilled people in the past. Is India's brain drain affecting the Make in India campaign? In India, there are no signs of an improved regulatory and market landscape to enable the Make in India campaign. This gap in terms of vocational skills is affecting Make in India. In terms of attracting talent from abroad, India shows one of the worst scores, 103.